thumbnail and read the title, you already know what it is. Finally got them gains. And I don't got my tune yet because I got something else happening soon. So I'm waiting to get the tune. Well, I did request the tune, so it should be here soon. Then it's supposed to be like some type of bass tune in here or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna test it out though. Gonna be tuned by MPT Performance. And I'm gonna try it out. Pop your tuner out the box. That OBD2 thing too. Attach this little piece right here going to the end of this right here. Put the OBD2 port in the OBD I'm messing up thingy thing. It's plugged in now. Got the SCT thing. Alright, got all the stuff. You got the program, vehicle, data log, gauges, vehicle functions, vehicle info, all that stuff. So for this, we're gonna program the vehicle, saying it's not legal in these streets, just like me. The key in, turn it in the on position. The goal here is to see if this bass tune or whatever is faster than, or if it's better than whatever's in my car stuff. So we're gonna go to that. Let's see how it is. Put all your specifications in. So right now I'm running 92, but I'm gonna put it as 90 effect. I'll put it as 91. There's revs per mile. What? I don't know what that is. Speed limit. Let's take it off completely. Rev limit 7K. Neutral 6 grand. Now after I Google the one thing, I'll be back. And it says my tire is 28-inch diameter. So I guess that's the rest of the mile right there. I've been approved. Octane 273s. Revs per mile. Okay. Turn vehicle ignition on. Oh. Saving stock data. Do not turn ignition key off. That's a bass tune. That's not my custom tune. That is not my custom tune with my gearing. Almost there. And then this will be on there. The moment of truth. All this stuff going on. Oh, it's at 20%. Started over. Wait. 40, 50, again, bass tune options, modifying, turn the vehicle's ignition key, oh, it's downloading the tune into my computer officially. Still waiting on it to download. I just feel like this bass tune or whatever, or the preloaded one on here, that's not my custom tune, is not gonna feel any different than my car feels now. A complete tune has been programmed successfully to vehicle. Turn key off. Is out there? Anything new? Probably not. That's definitely, I'm 100% positive there's something not right with my gas pedal. It's like rocking. The reaction is late. Well, like my third gear, the gas pedal feel real like not as responsive as usual. I don't know if I messed something up or what. I was gonna downshift in a second and see what it's like. Oh. Speed-wise, but my gas pedal definitely is less responsive. All right, first gear. First gear. It's at 2 grand instead of putting it at 3 and flooring it. I just saw a Dodge Demon for the first time, and I didn't even get to go after it because of this tune. This stock or base custom. This is not the base. It's not the custom tune, but this bass tune, my responsiveness wasn't there. Like, usually, manual car, you press this much and it's gonna move. I had to go like, and then it would move. Like, that's a gas pedal, that's not on the clutch. Don't mess around with that stuff because I just messed around with that other stuff and it wasn't no good because I'm not a tuner. Viper over there. I've never seen a Viper in person either. This is ridiculous. Back to stock we go. SCT tuner. MPT tune coming soon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to stay up to date to with what I'm doing. Part 3 of the Instagram follower rating coming soon as well. Have a nice day.